In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a meeting link in Pipedrive in 3 minutes. By the end, you'll have a clean, shareable link your contact can use to pick a time that works, without any back and forth. Start by opening Pipedrive and heading to Activities on the left bar. This is your hub for calls, tasks, and of course, meetings. At the top of the Activities table, click on Meeting Scheduler. This opens Pipedrive's built-in tool for proposing meeting times, so you can control availability while keeping everything tied to your pipeline. When the scheduler opens, select Pick Times. This option is great when you want to suggest specific time slots rather than opening your entire calendar. It keeps things focused and avoids conflicts. Next, set the duration at the top left of the window that appears. Choose how long you want the meeting to last, maybe 15, 30, or 60 minutes, whatever suits the conversation. The duration you pick will shape the time slots you offer, so choose something realistic. If you know you'll need a bit of buffer before or after, make sure the duration reflects that. Now, click on the date and time you want to book this meeting. You'll see a calendar view. Pick a day, then choose a time slot that makes sense for both you and your contact. If your account shows time zones, double-check that the displayed time matches your intended zone, especially if you're coordinating across regions. When your time is selected, click. Continue to Meeting Details. This takes you to a simple form where you can clarify the context of the meeting. Enter the meeting details and click Continue. Give the meeting a clear title so the recipient immediately understands the purpose. Add a short description with any agenda points or expectations, and set the location, whether it's an office address for an in-person meeting or a video link if you're meeting online. A concise summary helps everyone come prepared. After you continue, a shareable link will be available. Copy the link and share it with your contact. Drop it into an email, a chat message, or anywhere you communicate. When they open it, they'll see the exact time you proposed and can confirm with a single click. Once they accept, you'll have the meeting locked in and visible within your activities. And that's all. You clicked Activities, opened Meeting Scheduler, chose Pick Times, set the duration, selected a date and time, completed the meeting details, and copied the shareable link. Simple, fast, and professional.